Hello everyone, I'm Paul and today we're solving problem 3190. Find minimum operations to make all elements divisible by 3. This is easy and great to have a basic understanding of the module operator, so let's start. We are given an integer array nums and we can add or subtract one from any element any number of times. And our job is down here. We need to return the minimum number of operations to make all elements divisible by 3. So if we are given this array, we can subtract 1 from here, this is 0. We can add 1 here, this is 3. And we can subtract 1 here, this is 3. Here we are doing 3 operations, so we return 3. Now let's take this number, for example. We have two ways to make this divisible by 3. One is we can subtract 1, and by doing this we get 3, and 3 modulo 3 is 0. And the other one is we can add 2. By doing this we get 6, and 6 modulo 3 is also 0. Now the thing is that we need to get the minimum number of operations. So we need to keep the minimum value among the absolute value for this and the absolute value for this. And the minimum between the absolute of -1 and the absolute of 2 is 1. So we need one operation to make this divisible by 3. And maybe you are wondering, how do we get these and these values? For this, we can take the current number 4 modulo 3. And this is 1. And for this number, we can do 3 minus 4 modulo 3. And this is 2. This 2. So let's do a dry run just to make this clear. The result is initially 0. We are starting from index 0, so here is the I pointer. And first we keep the minimum between 1 modulo 3, meaning 1, and 3 minus 1 modulo 3, meaning 2. Okay, we can either subtract 1 or add 2 here. And the minimum between these two is 1, so we add 1 to the result. This is 1. Next we are here. The choices are 2 modulo 3, meaning 2, or 3 minus 2 modulo 3, and 3 minus 2 is 1. And the minimum between these two is 1, so we add this to the result and continue. Now we are here. 3 modulo 3 is 0, and 3 minus 0 is 3. The minimum between 0 and 3 is 0, so we add this to the result and continue. Finally, we are here. 4 modulo 3 is 1, and 3 minus 1 is 2. The minimum between these two is 1, so we add 1 to the result and finally return 3. Time complexity for this is big O of n because we are iterating this, and space complexity big O of 1. So with this in mind, let's go with the code. This code is very short. Result is initially 0, and finally we want to return this. And here in between we say for every number in nums, reminder, the current reminder is the current number modulo 3. And every time we add to the result, the minimum between reminder and 3 minus reminder. So let's submit this. As you can see, this works and it's very efficient. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.